Cellusphere instruments are both vertical type and desktop, equipped with a wide voltage worldwide, and a simple and easy-to-operate software. This instrument is equipped with a mechanical vibration handle and mechanical rotation handle. The mechanical vibration handle is equipped with 4 working heads of different materials, namely inclined BR head, CH head, SIL head, and ALU head. Different working heads are targeting to different levels of the orange peel satellite and have different body feeling. The mechanical rotation handle has 2 different applications. One, it is used with a cylindrical roller. The other, it is used with a 360-degree rotation massager. In the massage mode, equipped with a small and medium working head, the 360-degree rotating working head is unique to the Cellusphere instrument. The main functions of Celluloid are as follows: contract and relax muscles, improve the orange peel skin, improve microcirculation, regulates the lymphatic system to reduce pain, increases skin smoothness. Let's take a look at the operation software. First, click the mechanical vibration handle to adjust the time to 30 minutes. Then, adjust the speed to 40%, and then adjust the steering of the working head to the clockwise and anti-clockwise alternating working mode. After adjusting the parameters, proceed with the operation. In the process of Cellusphere operation, the working head should keep tied to the operation part and roll repeatedly in the orange peel tissue part, which can more effectively promote lymphatic drainage, accelerate metabolism, eliminate metabolic disorders, speed up the consumption of fat cells, reduce fat accumulation. During operation, sufficient essential oils should be ensured at the operation site to maintain the continuity of mechanical vibration and effective and continuous work.